again and again highlighted in the Mahabharata, that he will not give to the Pandavas even a needle point of land. It confuses the people, what type of politics. But the allegorical meaning behind it, if you want to wake up from your dream, you should not keep even a needle of your dream, needle point. So it's a total awakening. Lower self wants you to keep you bonded with a dream, the dream of the world process. That's the relativity of the world. Enlightenment requires having not even a needle point of the dream, complete awakening. So that's the point that's important at this stage.